First came the award-winning CTS. And now comes STS. Lightning strikes twice. Cadillac, breakthrough. The Cadillac employee discount for everyone. You pay.
Devastating damage expected. Hurricane Katrina, the most powerful hurricane with unprecedented strength, rivaling the intensity of Hurricane Camille of 1969. Most of the area will be uninhabitable for weeks, perhaps longer. At least one half of well-constructed homes will have roof and wall failure. All gabled roofs will fail, leaving those homes severely damaged or destroyed. The majority of industrial buildings will become non-functional. Partial to complete wall and roof failure is expected. All wood-framed low-rising apartment buildings will be destroyed. Concrete block low-rise apartments will sustain major damage, including some wall and roof failure. High-rise office and apartment buildings will sway dangerously, a few to the point of total collapse. All windows will blow out. Airborne debris will be widespread and may include heavy items such as household appliances and even light vehicles. Sport utility vehicles and light trucks will be moved. The blown debris will create additional destruction. Persons, pets, and livestock exposed to the winds will face certain death if struck. Power outages will last for weeks, as most power poles will be downed and transformers destroyed. Water shortages will make human suffering incredible by modern standards. The vast majority of native trees will be snapped or uprooted. Only the hardiest will remain standing, but be totally defoliated. Few crops will remain. Livestock left exposed to the winds will be killed. An inland hurricane wind warning is issued with sustained winds near hurricane force or frequent gusts at or above hurricane force are certain within the next 12 to 24 hours. Once tropical storm and hurricane force winds onset, do not venture outside.
See your Super Chevy dealer today.
For a good.
Hello, everyone, and welcome.
Larry McCarran's Locker Room. Revealing.
I was not the best of students, Larry.
Hands-on.
First I'll cover the hand.
Honest.
Smart man will know the ball's coming.
Professional.
And dragging,
Okay.
kicking and dragging.
Intelligent.
I don't know if I would call it that.